Hi everybody, this is Willie. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a wonderful Christmas and have a happy new year ahead in 2024. Haven't uploaded in a while, thought I would upload this video. Haven't ridden a whole lot lately, but I'm riding my Suzuki S40 Boulevard. It's a 2006 cruiser, and I have problems with the headlight and front turn signals and horn that stopped working after I washed the bike off. I spent a lot of time trying to troubleshoot. Couldn't quite figure it out on my own, looking through the net and YouTube and my manual and inspecting the bike and checking the fuses and all that stuff. So I rode it into the shop on this day. Cars go pretty fast in this parking lot, I've noticed.
Oh, fuck.
After I pulled into the shop around the corner here, I saw this bike that looked kind of unique. It's a Kawasaki Vulcan with Spock on it. Kind of cool. Alright, they fixed the bike. The headlight's working now. The turn signals are working. Just going to get some gas and head on home before it rains. Seems to be running a little bit better after putting the gas in it. As you can see, my headlight is working, my left turn signal is working, everything is working great. It turned out to be a problem under the seat with some wiring that they had to kind of clean up. Happy New Year, everyone, and live long and prosper.